Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we would like to write a program that calculates and prints the sum of all numbers from 1 to 10. To do that, I'm initializing a variable called total to be 0. I'm having a for loop and I'm iterating over variable I between the range 1 and 11. So it loops through numbers 1 to 10, okay? And for each iteration, I'm having total plus equal I. So we are we are having the summation of i's into the total variable. And basically here, I'm printing out the total. So let me run the code. It says that the sum is 55, but how this 55 is being printed? I mentioned earlier in another coding exercise, when we are having plus equal sign, it means that we are having this formula, total plus I, okay? So this is the formula. So the first time I equals 1, we enter. It means that total equals, so total is initially set to be 0, okay? So new total equals 0 plus I equals 1 plus 1. So total equals 1, okay? Then I equals 2, total equals 1 plus 2. Why? So this one comes from this formula. So this is total plus I. So this one is the value of total which we calculated in the previous iteration to be 1. And this 2 comes from this I that is coming from this I, okay? I equals 2 in this iteration. Therefore, now total equals 3. We have I equals 3. Total equals 3 plus 3 equals 6. Okay, why 3 plus 3? So this 3 comes from this 3. So we calculated the total in the previous iteration, and this 3 comes from I equals 3 because the formula, the new total, is total plus I. Okay, the already value of total plus the current I. And then when I equals 4, we are having the total equals 6 plus 4. Therefore, total equals 10. Then I equals 5. We are having total equals 10 plus 5. So total would be 15. Then we are having I equals 6. Total equals 15 plus 6. So total equals 21. Then we are having I equals 7. Total equals 21 plus 7. Therefore, total equals 28. Then we are having I equals 8. We are having total equals 28 plus 8. It equals 36, if I'm not mistaken. 26, yeah. 28 plus 8 is 36. And then we are having I equals 9. So total equals 36 plus 9. So the total is now 45. And finally, I equals 10. And total equals 45 plus 10. So total is 55, which is this number that we got here. So basically, in this code, we are iterating over values for I between 1 and 10. We are looping through numbers 1 and 10, and we are calculating and adding the current number to the total number. So total initially equals 0. In the first iteration, total is 0. We are adding the first iteration, I equals 1. So total is now 1. Then I equals 2, 2 plus that previous one. Then I equals 3, 3 plus the previous 3 of the total. So we are increasing the value of 1 to 10 in each iteration to total. So we are having one total, which is summing over all the values that is being iterated between 1 and 10. So it is going to give us the sum of all numbers from 1 to 10. This is how it works, because total starts from 0 and we are increasing the value of the I in each iteration. As you see here, I'm adding 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And these are added to the previous value of I. So you see, to previous value of total, because total was 0, so I equals 1, 1 plus 0, it's 1. Then this old value is here, and in the second iteration, number 2 is added to that, so it is 3 now. And the I is 3, we are adding it to already existing total, which is 3, so it's 6 now. 6 is added to number 4, their summation is added to number 5, their summation is added to number 6, their summation is added to numbers 7, 8, 9, and 10. So we reach the output of sum of all numbers from 1 to 10 is 55. Thank you for watching.